Hello everyone. So this is a quick tutorial on how to transfer the output of the DORADO reports that you're going to have to run, transfer them into the Excel template. So if you will look at the guidelines of what you have to do step by step, you will find this guideline on your USB key or on the website. Looking at the guideline for Persane, we'll concentrate on step number 3, which is dealing with the logsheet data. So what it says here is that you have to run DORADO Toughman Recon Report 2.1.3. So we'll go and open the DORADO reporting. For the example, I've connected to FSM, but it could be any country. So I'll go to the Toughman section. I'll go to the Recon section and I'll run this report 2.1.3 for year 2017, which is the one we're interested in, and I'm running the report now. So now the report is okay, is run. I'm going to export by clicking on this small icon. I'm going to export this report into a CSV file. And you will find the CSV here or in the download area. And so I'm going to click on this to open it. So what I want to do first here, I want to obviously transfer this data back into my annual catch estimate Excel template. So what I want to do first, I want to go into the data and I want to data menu, and I want to sort the data by category and species. So let's do that. We'll sort first by category and we'll add one more level to sort by species. And this is done. So it has ordered by category and species. So the next step is to select the values, and only the values. You don't want to select the species, you don't want to select the categories, you don't want to select the headings, you want to select the values. And you press Ctrl+C or you copy these values. Now we are going to open the template. So let's close all of that and we're going to open the Persane annual catch estimate template. Here we go, and we go in the logsheet section. Here we place the cursor on the first cell here and right click and paste as value. So you click on this 1, 2, 3 button here, it only pastes the values. So that's it. Here you've transferred the output from the DORADO report back into the XML, Excel annual catch estimate template. And you would do this for the other sections as well by following the guideline. Thank you.